Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel, The Life Science Educator. In the yesterday's video, we have learnt about male reproductive system and female reproductive system. So in this video, we are going to learn about an interesting topic, that is fertilization in human beings, and also about the development of embryo. So first let us learn about the fertilization in human beings. In the female's body, the ovaries already contain thousands of immature eggs, and on reaching puberty, some of the eggs starts maturing and one egg is produced every month by one of the ovaries. So if you remember the female reproductive system, here you can see the ovaries where the eggs are produced. And the egg is carried from the ovary to the womb through a thin oviduct or fallopian tube. Here you can see the oviduct, which is also known as fallopian tube, through which the egg is carried to the womb. So during sexual intercourse, the sperms from the male enters into the vagina of the female. Here you can see the vagina of the female. And then the sperms travel upwards and reach the oviduct where they can fertilize the egg. So here from the vagina, the sperms enter into the cervix, and through the uterus, the sperms reach the oviduct where they can fertilize an egg cell. So here you can see the fertilization of an egg cell by the sperm cells. So here you can see that the sperm cells are fertilizing an egg cell. So after fertilization, the fertilized egg or zygote starts dividing and forms into an embryo. Here you can see that the egg cell is fertilized by the sperm cells and it starts dividing to develop into an embryo. So again after developing into an embryo, the embryo gets implanted in the lining of the uterus where they can continue to grow and develop organs to become fetus. So here you can see the embryo is implanted in the uterine wall. So then again the embryo grows and develops into an fetus, and the embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of a special tissue called placenta. And the development of the child inside the mother's body takes place approximately 9 months. The child is born as a result of rhythmic contractions of the muscles in the uterus. Here you can see the development of an embryo. I hope you have understood about the fertilization in human beings and also about the development of an embryo. In the upcoming video, we will learn about menstrual cycle. Until then, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.